How to transfer Amazon voucher to bank account. To transfer Amazon voucher to bank account, follow these steps. First, open your Amazon app and log in. Then click on your profile icon. Then click on your account option. Then scroll down and select Amazon Pay UPI. Then click on Home icon. Then scroll down and select Add a gift card option. Then enter your gift card code. Then click on Add to your balance. Then click on Home icon. Then click on Send Money option. Then select to the bank option. Then enter your IFSC code. If you don't have IFSC code, then enter your bank account number. Then re-enter your bank account number. Then enter name of account holder. Then click on Pay Now. And your voucher will be transferred to your bank account. Thanks for watching.